Hello, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can add WhatsApp chat button to your own Shopify store. Now, first thing you need to do is you want to click on apps here in the left. After you open your Shopify dashboard, you want to click on apps. Now, after that, you want to search here for WhatsApp button. Okay, that's all you need to do. After you search here for WhatsApp button, you want to click on enter. It's going to take you directly to Shopify App Store. Now I don't want to use this app. I'm going to use another one. I'm going to search again for WhatsApp button. Now as you can see, you will be able to see a lot of apps here. Now you can use any app here, but I just tested like multiple apps, and let me show you which one I found, which is like the best app here. Let me just search for it right now. Okay, this is it. As you can see, it's called A's button. Okay, let your customers contact you directly for WhatsApp. Now you can also just search for this A's button, and then you will be able to find it quickly. Now after that, you want to click on install. Now this is how it's going to look like, by the way. How can we help you? You can also customize this. I will show you how you can do that in just a few seconds. Okay, so after you are here, you want to click on install. It's going to take to confirm installation. Take you to this page to confirm installation. Now, after you are in this page, what you need to do here, you can now click on here where it says enter WhatsApp number, and then you can enter here a WhatsApp number. I'm going to do that right now, and then click on save and continue. Now here, the final step, as you can see, enabled. It's already enabled. After you add the number, it's going to take you to theme editor to enable this, or to embed some custom code here. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so as you can see, you will be able to see WhatsApp chat button. You want to enable it like this. After you enable it, click on save in the top right. This is how it's going to look like, by the way, chat with us. Okay, so after you do this, as you can see, it says here app status, as you can see, is active. Okay, so what you need to do now is, as you can see, you will be able to see here settings. Okay, now by the way, this is how it's going to look like. Now I'm going to go to my own Shopify store, and I'm going to click on products, and I'm going to click on view product, and as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, of course, you have to remove password from your own Shopify store in order for this to work. Now, you just need to click on WhatsApp button inside your theme editor. And then after that, you want to then click here on settings. Now, after that, you can make or customize this as you want for desktop and also for mobile view. Now, if you click on mobile, this is how it's going to look like. If you click on desktop, this is how it's going to look like. You can also enable a pre-filled message. For example, something like, "Hi there, I have a question." It will make it easier for them to send you a message. Something like, "Hi there, I have a question." It's already written for them. You just need to click on chat with us, and then this will pop up immediately. You can also change this to whatever you want. So after you customize this, you can also customize the logo text button. You can change this to agent circle button like this. You can also add your own image here, or the image of your store that will be popped up whenever your customers visit your store. You can also make the button smaller or bigger, larger, as you can see here. Now the colors, you can customize the colors. By the way, this has a free trial, free plan. That's why it's not giving you all the customizations, so that you can customize everything. After you are done, click on save. Now that's all you need to do to add the WhatsApp button inside your own Shopify store. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. This is how it's going to look like, by the way. This is the WhatsApp button here. If they click on it, it's going to take them directly to WhatsApp. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial helped you. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you.